What's up guys, we are in the Netherlands and we're going to Dutch McDonald's to see what kind of specialty items they have.
Yes, we are going to McDonald's. When I first moved to Germany and during lockdown boredom, we tried McDonald's in Germany. I was surprised to see the different menu items along with how much better some of the standard burgers tasted in comparison to my home country, the USA. We drove across the border into the Netherlands to try some of McDonald's Dutch menu items for the first time.
So we just came out of the McDonald's. We brought the food out here in our car because where do you eat McDonald's most of the time? In your car.
Road trip life.
Exactly. So we got all the items that seem to be special to the Netherlands because we want to try the weirdest things. As we know, McDonald's kind of changes their menu a little bit towards each country.
They cater to the demographic of the country and the culture.
And the palates of their country.
So we'll just start off with the first item, which is fries. Classic, they come in a similar thing, but they have something special, which is this fry sauce.
Frites sauce.
Frites sauce.
Yeah, Netherlands, known for fries, but these are standard McDonald's. However, they're known for a lot of different sauces. So let's see how that one is.
Ooh, it's a very yellow mayonnaise. Check out that color. Beautiful yellow sauce.
Yeah, more about the sauce. Oh, spilled. Dude.
Very tangy.
Tangy, yeah. It tastes like these cheap hamburger sauces you bought in the supermarket.
Oh, it's so tangy.
Not sure what tangy means, but it tastes very different.
It's sour.
It's like a salad dip thing, like with mayonnaise.
Yeah, very mayonnaise-y Thousand Island.
That's definitely interesting. Try the fry sauce, the very yellow one.
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna do this chicken Big Mac. I have never seen this, but I think it's pretty common or a newer item. You have a ton of shredded lettuce, per usual. Then you have the pickle, Big Mac sauce, and then cheese at the bottom. Double layer, a little bun in between.
And 2 patties of fried chicken.
2 patties and a lot of sesame seeds on the bun. So let's just give it a try.
It's basically the Big Mac chicken version. And I don't think we have that.
Okay, one more bite.
It looks pretty decent. You look so happy.
It's very dry. I'm not a Big Mac person in general. I think I prefer a double cheeseburger if I'm gonna go to McDonald's and get something. I don't know, it's surprisingly dry. I feel like these patties aren't the nicest. I don't know what I expected, but when I opened it up, it looked a little sadder than I thought.
Okay, I was curious if this is gonna work because I think the regular Big Mac is also not the best burger. So I thought maybe the chicken one better. And I think they just used the chicken patties from the McChicken. And you're right, the patties are not the best. It's actually the downfall of this burger. But this is surprisingly to me not better than the regular Big Mac, which by itself is just mediocre.
Next on the list, one of my favorites.
The Big Tasty. The Big Tasty is a burger I think that is special to Europe. I at least haven't seen in the US so far. And in Germany, in my opinion, it is the best McDonald's burger out there. It is way above like a Big Mac or the Quarter Pounder TS or something like that. However, in the Netherlands, this Big Tasty is different. They have a different recipe. It looks a little smaller. This burger, to be honest, is a huge mess. Look at this burger. It looks like it has a little bit of a haircut. Hello. This is a little strange. So we have the sesame bun, then we have the Big Tasty sauce. There's shredded lettuce that is just falling everywhere. 2 big slices of tomato, the bacon that is all over the place as well, some white cheese and the patty. This is a mess. I'm already having the sauce on me. I don't know. It's definitely different than in Germany. Immediately so much better than that chicken Big Mac. This is a good burger. Taste-wise, it's very similar to the one in Germany. Maybe a little fresher. I think this one is smaller. I think the patty is a little thinner. So the freshness factor, they use the same sauce though, and the Big Tasty sauce is also, in my opinion, the best sauce. The bacon flavor comes out nicely too, even though the bacon is dangling all over the place. However, this has to be one of the messiest burgers I've ever eaten. I don't know if this is a car burger. But good, this was good. Big Tasty for Deanna.
I love the German Big Tasty. It's one of my favorite burgers at McDonald's in Europe. This one is a little different. Still has that smoky flavor, still has that bacon flavor. I wonder if this is the Gouda cheese or Gouda cheese because it's very white and it's different. And it's a little thicker. So it might be my favorite burger in the Netherlands.
We shall see. Okay, we have one item. It is chicken tenders and it's a 3-pack. And I don't know if that's very common for McDonald's. They have the chicken nuggets everywhere. However, these are tenders. So
tendery.
there we go.
Oh.
What, 2?
We got
it's
2. And there's this curry sauce that is so common in Europe. This curry sauce you can have with fries or anything. It's one of my favorite sauces.
Oh.
See, it's this nice curry color.
It's all over the car.
I gotta go to a car
This
wash.
is a messy.
Look at that.
I get the bigger chicken tender. Thank you. So there you go. I'll try without first. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, look at the nice bite.
Ooh, they should put this on the chicken Big Mac. It would be way better.
So true, yeah. I think this is worlds above the nugget or probably the McChicken patty then.
Yeah, there's a proper crisp breaded around the chicken, and it tastes like proper chicken breast, or tenders, I should say. Put this on the chicken Big Mac, and then we're talking. Now we're talking. And then this is supposed to be an iconic drink in the Netherlands. I've been wanting to try it for a while. I think it's just chocolate milk, but we'll give it a try.
Chocomel.
Chocomel.
Yeah, we saw it in the supermarkets everywhere. We opted not to try it for the food tours that we did so far, but for this one.
Ooh.
Is it amazing?
That's dessert.
That's dessert.
That's very chocolatey.
Yeah, look at this nice little bottle.
I like that a lot.
200 milliliters. Oh, only 50 calories per 100.
So when I was in college, I packed a lot of Yoo-hoos and had those in my dorm. So that's what it reminds me of a little bit, but a way richer chocolate.
I love the vla in the Netherlands. And the vla is so thick. So I kind of expected that, but this one is literally milk with chocolate flavor. So it's very fluid, but
chocolate milk. It's chocolate milk.
so small you can chuck that in a minute.
Yes, I see you did. 10 out of 10. I like this.
Give it a 7 out of 10. Okay, and now for probably the most unusual item that the Netherlands has to offer at McDonald's. The most Dutch item. Look, it's even, there has the flag on the burger wrapper and it's the Mac Croquette.
Yes.
So, wow.
It looks so plain.
Yeah, I don't know. This looks like a fake burger, one you put out in your display or whatever. It basically has a brioche bun, a small one, then this like sesame sauce, what it looks like, a croquette, and that's it. And I think this is probably the beef croquette they had in the machines as well, right?
I feel like I could easily see this at one of the vending machines that they have here.
What do you think?
It's like fried gravy
It's like deep fried gravy on a burger.
with some chunks in there.
Look at that. It's juicy, and I think the patty is not quite as good as the croquettes we get from the machines.
No, it's definitely way more filled with this thicker sauce.
Yeah, it's not really beefy.
There are a little bit of beef chunks in there, you can see, but not as much as like in the vending machines.
You know what I'm thinking? This could be an additional patty on like a quarter pounder.
Yeah.
So maybe we have to get like a quarter pounder and put this on. That
I
would be
feel like
nice.
it would add some moisture and to a lot of the dry burgers. I don't know. I don't think it's that bad though. I think I would give it like a 6.5. Like it's definitely different. It's a different flavor. I've never tried this or had anything like this at McDonald's.
I'm curious if Dutch people actually order this. There's a reason why it's on the menu, right? Do you love that stuff? If you're from the Netherlands, let us know. Do you love that? How often do you eat all of this fried stuff from the machines or from McDonald's, the Mac Croquette? I'm very curious. We went in for a second time for dessert and we came here and sit on this table. It's pretty nice. This is a pretty big McDonald's right across the border from Germany. I don't know if this is a dessert. We got cherry tomatoes, a side of cherry tomatoes, 70 cents. We thought they were candied, but I'm not sure. So let me just open this back up.
I mean, it's a fruit, therefore it's a dessert. Am I right?
They're definitely not candied. It's just a cherry tomato. In a weird bag.
The world's weirdest order of desserts and then tomatoes. It's a fruit.
I don't know. They're not the best. Like I wonder how they source that. You know, they just come in these bags as just like McDonald's. That's strange. One thing we've gotten, which is the Netherlands apparently known for as well, is apple pie. And not just the Netherlands. I think also the US loves apple pies as well.
The Dutch brought it over, right? It immediately smells so much of cinnamon, which I love.
It's also apple chunks, not just like a mixed up version, which I like.
You are butchering
I'm deconstructing this pie. There we go. It just fell into a million pieces. It tastes actually more legit than I anticipated. It's like Definitely a cinnamon flavor. It has a nice pie crust, you would say is an American, I guess, on the bottom. Also in the back right here. There's some almond chunks on top of it. The apple itself tastes not the most intense like apple. It's a little cold, but the cinnamon and the almonds and everything together makes up for that a little bit.
Your description makes it sound so much better than I'm anticipating.
Pretty decent.
I'm honestly surprised to see almonds in a McDonald's apple pie, but let's give it a try. I don't know, I grew up with a lot of apple pies, homemade apple pies, fresh apple pies. This is my stuff.
American pie.
Definitely has that cinnamon flavor. You've got the chunks and the little crispiness of the apples. For a McDonald's apple pie, it's not bad. It's not bad. The ice cream machine was working here, so they don't have the same problem like in the US where the ice cream machines are always broken. We got a peanut M&M McFlurry. I love how many peanut options are here in the Netherlands. In the US, I'm so used to it. We had peanut butter, everything. And I love going over the border from Germany to the Netherlands because I feel like we're in the land of peanuts, while Germany doesn't even have like decent peanut butter, or it's harder to find, I should say. So here we go. We've got this beautiful peanut M&M McFlurry. Oh my God, brain freeze. I put too much in my mouth. I love it. Peanut M&Ms I think are one of my guilty pleasures. I love them for plane rides and everything, and chocolate and peanuts in it. So good.
I think I never experienced brain freeze before. Like Diana always says that, but I don't know. Also lactose, so the rest is for me.
I don't think so.
Dude, you're right. It's so good. The peanut flavor just works well with chocolate and also with ice cream. Like,
what's not to love? Brain freeze? Is that a brain freeze? Your first one? Tooth freeze.
Is it the teeth when you say brain freeze?
It goes up into your head sometimes, but yeah, it hits the nerve.
Am I the only one never had brain freeze? Let me know. We have one more thing. It's like a donut hole, I think. There's 3 different types. There was the strawberry one, the chocolate one, and this one is stracciatella.
I feel like those are the standard cake pops that they have at a lot of places.
There's a little bit of filling here on the top, but not a lot. Yeah, it's cakey. I like it. It's good. You eat that, I'll eat the ice cream.
You just bamboozled me. That's so mediocre. This is way better.
But those.
That's your dessert.
That was our Netherlands, our Dutch McDonald's experience here.
Yeah, not bad. 10 out of 10 McFlurry.
I think my favorite is still the Big Tasty, any version of it, Dutch version, German version. Let us know what you think of the Croquette or the chicken Big Mac or whatever Dutch food that's out there.
As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
It's about time somebody cleans the sky.